Hi, I'm Scott, KG5RGR, and this is the Hamstop, and we are talking about the new product that we just came out with. It's called theLARS. Okay, what is theLARS? Well, basically, you ask for it, and we've made an adapter that gives you the ability to use our SkyHook products on different size masts. You can use this on ductile iron pipe, you can use it on cast iron pipe, you can even use these little things on fiberglass masts. It protects, as well as at the same time it just simply works. And you can see what it's done. This is the first show that we've had them out at. Frank, Tank Radio, should have a big presentation on it here shortly. But yeah, this is the first event that we've done this at. We also have the little camera tripod adapters. If you have a tripod, put your tripod on one side, you put the cap on the other side, set that monster in there.
Either goes by the slot, right, like that, or by the angle.
It sits right on there. Just screw this down till it gets tight. That's not going anywhere. So, 2 new products. Thank you, KG5RGR.